Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chen here and welcome to the product ORB. So don't ask me the full form of ORB. I really don't know the full form of this app named as ORB. Okay, so basically there are some internet issues, that is why for past 3 or 2 days I was unable to make review videos, but I am back now and let me start with the product ORB. So inside this ORB app or inside this ORB product, you will be given the total info based stuffs and also an extension, okay, that works properly on Google Chrome. Okay, so the thing is, inside this product, the first thing is welcome is given, then the welcome video, and the thing is totally related to Instagram traffic, and you can get traffic very easily from Instagram, and like the followers, like you can increase your followers while you are sleeping. You can literally do that. For more info, you can check out this demo video on this page, given on this page basically. So let me show you some demo from this page. Okay, let me play the video, and I have muted the video for the video purpose only. I have muted the video. So the thing is, you can see here when the extension is on, it is totally happening automatically. The cursor is here and the following and messaging will be done automatically. Okay, so you can see here from the hashtags or from the followings, they are doing the messaging also. The follow and the messaging can be done automatically. Your following, your messaging will be going in an automated way. So you can do the thing inside this app, and you can get the Instagram traffic knowledge. How you can do Instagram marketing and Instagram traffic knowledge is given inside this pack. Basically, this is the pack, and very cheap pack. You can check here, approximately 13 bucks it costs. And the thing is more that the bonuses, that the case studies, these are the very vital stuff. More vital is case studies. I think from according to me, the case studies are very vital because these are real case studies and made on a live screen video. Okay, so from ORB, they are making $1,860, and also you can grow your subscribers, you can generate your sales, and some bonuses are given. Bonuses are really important because the bonus is Octagon app. You can access the Octagon app and also Instagram booster. Okay, I don't know what is Instagram booster. Obviously it is totally related with your Instagram marketing, increase your Instagram marketing. Okay, so apart from that, some bonus softwares are there, but I think these are the paid software. I think, in my opinion, I think these are the paid software, and obviously you need to go through this tutorial, then you can do the same process, but you have to pay to use the Thrive architect or Thrive theme or any of those. Okay, so the thing is, I have cleared you everything. The ORB main training, the ORB extension is also given inside the main training. Okay, and apart from that, you can check out the ORB software extension or software, whatever. Okay, so you can create your automation, create your Instagram automation totally 100% using ORB, and you can get traffic. And really, it is if I want to say from my heart, it really works. Instagram followers really works. You can generate sales, not daily, but depending on your followers, depending on your dedicated followers, or depending on your account, you can generate sale more than 1, 2, or maybe it go up to 10 daily, or it go up to 30 daily maybe. Okay, but you can easily generate sale 1 or 2 very easily from Instagram while you are sleeping, doing some basic stuffs, and ORB can help you inside that. It can boost up your Instagram. So while I am making the video, I have thought that why not give you some bonuses that can trigger you to get the tool from my website. So I have created some bonuses, some excited bonuses are waiting for you, some exciting bonuses. Sorry, my grammar is not so good. So these bonuses, now we are watching on the screen, total 30 bonuses will be not 30, I think 29 bonuses will be given to you totally free from my website if you click on the description link and purchase the product. And there are some vendor bonus that comes by default, that is given on this page also. that live page. Inside this live page, sorry, inside this sales page, the bonuses are mentioned also. Basically I have also written the bonuses inside this. What are the stuffs given inside the front end pack? I have mentioned here 4 bonuses that comes with the vendor bonus, and that comes by default with this product. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 400 plus stuffs. Now what are the upsells? Okay, so upsells are mentioned here. If you purchase from the front end any of the upsells you are watching, total 6 upsells are there, sorry, 12 upsells, so like 6 upsells and 6 downsells, you will be given the mega bonus that consists with 400 plus stuffs. So you can click on this button, or there are 2 more buttons given on inside this page, and you can check out the the sales page. You can click on that and check out the sales page and get the tool from this website. That is why I am making the video. So have a good day. I am thanking you again. So bye bye.